In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam launch options when starting a game. Understanding how to customize launch options can help optimize your gaming experience or address specific issues. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to have your Steam client open. Go ahead and click on the Steam icon on your desktop or open it from your applications list. Once it's open, you'll find yourself on the welcome page. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to log into your Steam account. Just click on that login button that you see on the screen. It'll prompt you to enter your account name and password. Remember to keep your credentials safe and secure. Once you've input your details, click sign in. After signing in, you will be directed to your Steam homepage. Here, you want to look for the library tab, which you'll usually find at the top of the screen, nestled among other options like store and community. Click on library to see a list of all the games you own. Scroll through your collection to find the game for which you'd like to set launch options. Once located, move your cursor over the game title and right click on it. A context menu will pop up, and from there you should select the Properties option. Inside the game's Properties window, you'll be on the General tab by default. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the section labelled Launch Options, or something similar depending on your version of Steam. In the launch options field, you can enter specific commands that tell the game how to run. For instance, you might want to play in a windowed mode at a specific resolution. You can do this by typing in commands such as windowed width 1280, height 720. Remember to separate each command with a space so that they are recognized individually by Steam. Launch options can be quite powerful and allow for various configurations, but it's essential to use them carefully. Experimenting can be fun and helpful, but there's always a chance of causing unintended behavior with your game. So proceed with these commands at your own risk, especially if you're venturing off the beaten path with custom or unsupported settings. And there you have it. By entering these launch options, you tailor your gaming experience exactly the way you want it. If you ever want to go back to default settings, simply clear out these commands and close the window. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your gaming sessions. If this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more valuable tips and tutorials.